Hello. Well, it's 2 more days to the new year, so let's get back to decluttering. Today we're still in the living room, so we're going to declutter in here for 15 minutes. Stop what you're doing and pick up your bag, that's for throwing away trash, your box, that's for putting away things that you want to give away, and your basket, that's for putting away things that you want to keep. Things that you like, that you need, that you use, or that are seasonal, or you wear, okay? So start in your living room and do that. Set your timer for 15 minutes and go. Ideally, you're gonna do this, you've been doing this week, you're gonna do this today, you're gonna do it tomorrow, and before you know it, it's gonna be the new year. We're not gonna be new us, but we're gonna try really hard to have good habits. So make sure you're doing this and you're doing your clutter stops 3 times a day, looking around for things that have been left out since the last time that need to be put back up. Pick it up, don't pass it up. Make it a great day.